Hi, we have a new training session today. Can we explain the professional procedures for handling a customer plan?
Certainly, it is six-step process to ensure the customer stay happy.
Great. What is the first thing we should do?
It is a greeting. You should always use a polite tone and introduce yourself. You shouldn't sound bored or important.
Correct. And how do we understand the problem?
Just active listening. You should take notes and let the customer speak. You shouldn't input them while they are explaining.
What's come after that?
Next is vending agreement. You should summarize the issue to make sure you understand it correctly. Then we move to approaching and empathizing. Even if it's not your fault, you should say, I'm sorry for the inconvenience to show you care.
How do we fix it?
That is problem solving. You should offer a clear solution or a timeline. You shouldn't make promises you cannot keep.
And the final step?
Finally, confirmation. You should ask the customer if they are satisfied with the solution before and the goal.